Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open Yahoo Finance. Start by going to the Yahoo Finance website or finance.yahoo.com. Search for the stock or assets in the search bar at the top right. Type in the ticker symbol of the stock, ETF or assets you are interested in. Then press enter. Navigate the historical data tab. Once you are on this assets page, you have to click on historical data tab located under the assets name and chart. Then you have to set the date range. You can select the time period for the data you want to download, or you can choose from options like 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, a year, or specify a custom date range. You may also choose the data frequency and then click on download, or on the right hand side the data will be downloaded in a CSV file format, which you can open in Excel or any other spreadsheet. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.